In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send multiple photos on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp app. Now I'm gonna enter that conversation. And now, guys, basically all we have to do in order to send multiple photos here is first off tap at this plus button at the bottom left corner. Now we need to get into Photos to open up our camera roll. And now we need to select the first picture we would like to send. Let's say that one. I'm just gonna tap right here. And now, as you can see, we are ready to send that particular picture to our recipient. However, if you would like to select multiple photos to send all of them at once, you need then to tap right here at this button. And then you will be taken back to the camera roll. And now, as you can see, the photo I have selected is now marked with this one in a circle sign. And now I can select some extra photos in that simple way, just by tapping on them one by one, just like that. All the photos I have selected are currently displayed here at the bottom, and once you are done with that, you need to hit add next, and then you will be taken to the step where you can edit each of these pictures. So that's how we can easily switch between them, and then we can use any tools from this bar. So let's say here we can crop any picture, we can rotate it by using this tool, just like that. And then we can hit add done to apply the changes. We can also add there some stickers, text, also we can draw over that image. And then let's say also if you would like to remove some picture from here, just hit add this trash button, which is right there. That's how we can easily remove them. And now, guys, once you are ready to send multiple photos at once, all you have to do is just hit right here. That's how it can be easily done. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.